record the screen. Alright. Alright, so now we gotta skip ahead. Hold on, let's get some rid of some stuff. Alright, right here. So we come around, we see Annie, we're like, oh, alright, here we go. Free kill. Jump on her, get her super low. Get out of the way because Warwick's coming. But I'm like, yo, why don't I just go back in? I can kill this motherfucker. Oh, jump. See ya. Alright, I'm like, okay, I don't know if I can take him right now. Just gonna ult to a minion, you know, get away. Get some safe distance right here. I'm like, running away, but I'm like, wait, hold up. I think I can fight him. So I go back in. Go back in. Alright, so he's about to kill me, so I'm back out. I see he's level 6. So I'm like, okay. So I'm just waiting right here, right? I'm waiting to go back in. Waiting to see if he makes a move first. But he's not, so I'm about to go back in right here. Oh, I flashed that shit. Oh my gosh, is that him? That's him. Fucked and wrecked, bitch. Suck on that, you cunt.